Hey guys, so quick solution if your a block myth Wukong is not saving. So this is something that I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help. So based on what others said, might want to run as an administrator. So when you're gonna play the game, just right click on it and you're gonna find there the run as an administrator. So you're gonna have like this part here, and then you just want to here you're gonna find like run as an administrator you're gonna have for the application, and that's something that you want to do, and it's going to help fix the issue possibly. So this is what you want to do, and this is how you can probably like fix it if the game is not saving. And just right click and run it as an administrator, and have a great day and goodbye.